Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, la 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 la. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. In this video, I want to show you one of the most famous Christmas classics. Yeah, I mean, Christmas is right outside the door. Don't say it's too early. It's never too early for Christmas, I mean. And in this video, I want to show you the chords and the strumming pattern that you need to play the song and let your family and your friends sing along with you. We start out Feliz Navidad with a G chord, G major chord. This time we do it with the middle finger, the 3rd fret of the low E string, index finger, 2nd fret, A string, and ring and pinky go in the 3rd fret of the B and E string. Next chord is A major. Index finger, 2nd fret, D string, middle finger, 2nd fret, G string, and ring finger, 2nd fret, B string. And you don't play the low E string here. And then we go to the D major chord, index finger, 2nd fret, G string, it's from the 1, 2, 3, ring finger, 3rd fret, B string, and middle finger, 2nd fret, high E string. And we play 4 strings, the D, G, B, and E string. Okay, that's the first part. We need the G, the A, Feliz Navidad, D, Feliz Navidad, G, la 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 A, la 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 D, D, Feliz Navidad, G, and A, Feliz Navidad, and again the D, Feliz Navidad, G, la 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 A, la 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 D. Short D. And then we come to the next part. But first of all, make sure you know your chords. This is important. No matter how fast you might be able to strum something, you cannot play faster than you can change the chords. So make sure to do dry exercises like this where you know and help your fingers to remember where they have to go. This is so important. Do that for 50 or 100 times like this before you play any patterns. For the next part, we start also on the G. I wanna wish you a D Christmas, A. Wanna wish you a D Christmas. And then we don't play again the D, we play the B minor. A bar chord, a power chord, whatever fits you best, whatever you already can play. Index finger, 2nd fret, A string. Ring and pinky go to the 4th fret of the D and G string. Middle finger goes to the 3rd fret of the B string, and the index also pushes down the 2nd fret on the high E string. This would be the bar chord then. If this is too heavy for you, just play those 3 fingers here. Index, ring, and pinky. 2nd fret A string, 4th fret D string, 4th fret G string. Okay? If you're more advanced, play it with the middle finger, the 3rd fret of the B string, and if you're even more advanced, play even the high E string where the index finger is pushing down the 2nd fret. So the whole part. I want to wish you a G Christmas, A. I wanna wish you a D Christmas, B minor. Wanna wish you a G Christmas from the A of my D, and a short D. Feliz Navidad. And again, you start out with the other part. Those are the chords. Let's go to the strumming pattern. I would recommend for you to play something like down, down, up, down, up. And there's one important thing that you need to know when using this pattern in this song. But first of all, let's practice the pattern itself. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like this all the time. Down, up, down, up, down, up, and you hit down, down, up, down, up, down. And when we change now to the next chord, on the very last upstroke, you're allowed to already go to the next chord. Take a look. Down, down, up, down, up. I'll lift my fingers on the last upstroke and go to the A chord. Down, down, up, down. Lift the fingers to the D. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. And to the G, take a look. Down, to wish you a G. A. I want to wish you a D. Christmas. To the B minor. Want to wish you a G. Christmas from the A of my D. Feliz Navidad. Really, this is not a fake or beginner thing. We'll play it in an up tempo. I do it too. This is not about faking or something, but just practice that. Play the strumming pattern really slow and change between two chords, for example. Or just play it on one chord and just lift the chord and push it down again. So like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down, up, down, up. You see in the last upstroke of the pattern, lift your fingers and then you can go to the next chord. I hope you learned a lot in this video. You had a lot of fun here and you can practice Feliz Navidad so you can play it on Christmas together with your family and friends. Make sure to check out my free lessons which you find in the video description below this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, do everything you can to support my channel. I'm so appreciating this. You guys are awesome. Let me know what else you want to learn. Just type that in the comments. Oh man, so much to do. Comment, like, subscribe, checking out the free lessons. So much stuff to do. Thanks. My name is Hannes and see you in the next video. Bye.